Okay. I'm doing this because, okay, I've been gone since Friday morning. It is now 11:30 at night, Sunday night. I'll be right back. Check this out. I don't know if you guys can hear them, but they're already barking. They're already barking. No, I didn't leave the light on because I'm a dumbass. Miss Lady's on the... Can you see her? Hi! Miss Lady, ma'am! Oh, they tore something up. Oh, this is bad. Down. Oh, it smells funny. All right. I know. You're excited? Sit down. No jumping. All right. Hi, girls. What the hell what did you tear up? Hi, Shelby dog. Somebody's excited. All right, down. You're going to rip my shirt. All right. So far, I only see a couple of spots. What the hell did you tear up? Yeah. We see a couple of poopy spots. Now's the real test. You tore up the bedroom. This is what I come home to. Welcome to my life. Good morning. First of all, let me say I'm in a lot better place than I was yesterday morning. Yesterday I was quite pissed off. But with that being said, I have good news and I have bad news. First, the good news. The good news is I was able to put in a balloon order. Yay! So that means that my balloons will be here on Wednesday. So I can continue to work this weekend coming up. Here's the bad news. In the balloon industry, the go-to company is Qualitex. And they went out of business. This is not good. So, yeah. I have to go with another brand that I know nothing about, but the gentleman that I spoke with this morning said that they are getting a lot of good reviews on the brand that I purchased. Fingers crossed here. When you have 30 or 40 years of a standard, and you can no longer get that standard. Not that I've been doing this 30 or 40 years, because I sure as fuck haven't. But the standard was Qualitex, and they went out of business. So yeah, there's that. I'll be back. Sorry about that. I forgot my coffee that I had just gone and gotten. Because, see, with me, what I do is, because my dogs get left alone for several days at a time sometimes, which getting an RV is going to prevent this. They are spoiled rotten. That's why they get special things when I come home from being gone for several days. So, because I was waiting on a deposit to come to the bank this morning, before I could make my balloon order, I went up and I got a coffee, and I took the dogs with me, so this way I could get them pup cups. Sorry about the glare from the sun, it's bright. On another note, the mess. Oh my God, did you guys see that mess that I had in the house? Holy crap. It was so bad. You guys don't even know the half of how bad that was. It does, first glance, it was like, okay, this is tolerable. I can deal with this. But the further I cleaned, the worse it got. It was not good. And I'm not going to go into those details because I don't think you guys want to hear those details. But just know it was bad. Yeah. So, today I have to go to the store because I have zero food in my fridge. And I have to get some food to cook for this week. Because food is good. I have to go, I'm gonna get some hamburger and pasta and make some spaghetti with meat sauce. And I'm gonna get some chicken and make some fried chicken cutlets, which will be plenty of food, and I can take some with me this weekend, so that's good. I said I need to get some Kool-Aid too, because the last time I went, I only bought 2 packages of Kool-Aid, and those are gone. But like I said, the Kool-Aid definitely helps keep me hydrated, and it's a lot cheaper than Gatorade, so there's that. Other than that, that's about all I've got right now, guys. Shelby, do you want to say hello? Look, say hi. Okay, she doesn't want to say hi. Today I am heading to Ocala. I have to help somebody with something. And I don't know how much help I'm going to be with this, but hey, figure it out. Anyways, so the doggies are going for a ride with me in the car. And this is a long trip for them because I haven't taken them this far with me in a while, but not this weekend, but next weekend they're gonna have to go for a really long ride in the car. Well, not this coming Monday, but the following Monday. They have to go with me to Melbourne, so. But somebody is really enjoying window surfing right now. See her little butt right there? She's hanging out the window. It's so funny. Miss Lady, I don't know where she is. Here's Shelby dog. Hi, Shelby. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're so cute. You're so loving. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Ow, that hurts. So, anyways, yeah. There's Ladybug. They like to fight over the window. Hi, lady. What are you doing? Are you going to hop up in that window? Okay. There's her head hanging out the window. She's so cute. She just wants to see everything that's going on. She's like, whoa, that was a big vehicle. Oh, well, there's a lot of stuff going on over here. Lady's just watching. She's like, I think I'm safer over here on this side. So funny. Okay. We got everything taken care of that he needed help with. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but I got it. It's good being good with technology, really it is. Knowing what you're doing does help. Maybe I'll make a video on how to do what I just did. It was a crypto thing. Transferring crypto from a wallet, a digital wallet, to back to the platform. That was interesting. It's a pain in the ass. Either way, yeah, so I got that taken care of, and now I get gas in my car and free lunch. So we're getting some Chinese. Yay! I like Chinese. Yeah. Meanwhile, Back in the car, we have little Miss Shelby dog. What are you doing? Excuse me. Hey, say hello to everybody. Say hi. There you are, my baby. My beautiful girl right here. They have been very good for the most part. Being out and about. They really like riding in the car. But this one here has been, since I've had her, she's been in the car. And the other one, since I've had her, even though she was adopted from the pound, she has been, they always go for rides. Today is just an adventure because they don't normally get to go this long in the car. So they're having a field day, or shall I say they're having a field trip, and they don't know how to react to it. But it's okay, they got to get used to being in the car because RV life. So there's that. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. Probably, what the heck is all over my arm? Holy crap. I know what it is. It's from leaning on the window of his car. Okay. I think I'm gonna get shrimp and broccoli. That sounds yummy. Yeah. I think that's what we're gonna do. So that's where we are. We're heading through Ocala to other side of Ocala. Oh, I'll take you through a tour of downtown Ocala in just a bit when we head the way back, on the way back. Okay, so we got Chinese and he bought me a coffee from Starbucks. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna go through the downtown section, or the historic section of Ocala, so this way you guys can see what historic downtown Ocala looks like for those of you who do not live around here. I'm going to zoom in. We have our Veterans Park. It's actually a nice little park, and back when they were building it, they whatchamacallit, they people paid to put their names in there, to have a little brick with their name on it. My dad did that, so he's in there on one of the walls. We're heading on to Fort King Street in Ocala, and we have rain up ahead. Lovely. We're gonna do the best we can with this. We may have to postpone this for another day if it doesn't come out right because of the windshield. But if it comes out, well then it'll be fine. So take Fort King and you go down. It has some really nice houses, old historic houses down here. The only part of Ocala that you'll see these houses in that are like this. Up here on the left is a technical school, and it used to be the high school, but they built a new high school and moved Forest High School over onto Camp Road. It's one of 5 high schools we have in Ocala. And yeah, here comes the rain. On Fort King, once you get past the school, this is where the historical area starts. And is this my road? Yes, we're going to take a left here onto 15th Avenue. This will take us over there closer to 200. here is crazy huge. This one here is absolutely not beautiful. And we get to wait. These people over here, they have they always put something out there on the corner for the holidays. They always make it nice. I'm trying. It's not working too good. My phone's trying to adjust to the raindrops. Shelby, get back. Come on, get back. I think we'll be okay. We'll focus it over to the right a little bit more. I've always liked this house over here on the corner. It's a really nice house, I think. Can you see? Yeah. That's one of my favorites. Here's another one of my favorites. This side of the street and this side of the street. Okay, we get up a little bit further, and this is a quaint little house right here. But it's this one over here on the corner. Woo! Wow, that was crazy. I don't know, you can't really see it. I have to hold it this way. I like their porch. I like their porch. And this is a really nice house. This one and that one. I don't know if you guys can see it this thing. Yeah, you can. Fantastic. I like that house. And that is our historic section of Ocala. Well, pretty much anyways. Oh no, did I go down the wrong road? Pooh. Okay, everybody, here we go. So, see the box on the stove right there? That is because I got my balloon order in. And I just want to show you guys that, let me move a couple things out of the way here. I know I put the picture in earlier, but this is what it looks like now. It's completely full. And so anyways, that's what I was saying in that just then. I don't know what happened to the rest of my video with that, but I can't find it. So that is what my balloon bag is supposed to look like versus being half empty like it was the previous week. I have more balloon information coming up. And I made a review on Elite Text. So that's going to be a separate video completely. All right. Other than that, we're going to move forward into the weekend. Stay tuned.